Hello informed beauties, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. So tonight's video is going to be another Dr. Zenovia product review. They sent me some more goodies in the mail and I am so happy because I really do like the hormonal or the clear complexion line. As you guys have seen before, I have reviewed and loved their acne pill pads, the glycolic ones. I love their moisturizer, also the alloy moisturizer, and other products that they have sent me. If you missed any of my previous Dr. Zenovia product reviews, I will leave a link above and down below for you guys to go and check out those products. But Dr. Zenovia has a really great line, especially for acne. So if you are someone like your girl here who is acne, oily skin prone, definitely check out Dr. Zenovia. They are in Sephora, so yeah, go on and check them out. They're a really great product line for acne. Two products that they sent me were the Dr. Zenovia Advanced Retinol Night Repair Treatment, and then they also sent me the little bottle of the aloe vera blemish soothing moisturizer, which I already have a big bottle of. So I was happy to get another little mini bottle of that in the mail because I really do like that moisturizer. Once again, if you're acne prone, that moisturizer is perfect. It's very lightweight yet very moisturizing. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the night repair because this is what we are here for tonight. Of course, we're gonna talk about this product, what all it does, and then we're gonna do the first impression on using it. So let's go ahead and let's do that. I will leave all the information about this product, price, and everything here on the screen for you guys to check out. If you are not subscribed, take a moment, hit that subscribe button. Your girl's almost at 10K, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss a video. So this is the Dr. Zenovia Clear Complexion Advanced Retinol Night Repair Treatment. It REG-ulate360 Complex, antioxidants, and bakuchiol, that same word I can never ever pronounce. It visibly diminishes the appearance of acne and scarring, which is what I'm all about. You guys know that I have a few acne, well, my acne breakouts are starting to go away a little bit, but I have scarring left behind from my acne. So this right here just screamed like perfect for me. So I was really happy to get this. Product is scientifically formulated with her breakout REG-ulate360 Complex, clinically proven to help address the appearance of hormone impacted skin, okay? Featuring medical grade actives including vitamin E, green tea, berkuchachilo, and edge cutting plant derived phytoestrogens known as EuniyceMari, okay? There's a lot of like scientific words that your girl on here, we just not gonna try to pronounce, okay? And like always, one of the many reasons why I like Dr. Zenovia is because they are cruelty-free, gluten-free, artificial color-free, no silates, no parabens, no sodium laurites, no petroleum and mineral oil, no propylene glycol, reduced plastic, and their product is recyclable. All right, so how you would use this: that you apply a rich layer onto clean face and neck utilizing a circular motion used in the evening, okay? So let's go ahead and let's look at this product. I'm so excited. And my face is nice and cleansed. There is nothing on my face because I'm only using this tonight. I do like the fact that this comes into a squeeze tube. Oh, actually it's not. I didn't even look at the product. This is pretty nice. It's like a pump tube. Look at that. Fancy. And don't look at my nails, y'all. My nails are toe up to the flow up. Perfect. So the tops come off this way. And I like that it's a nice little, you know what? I don't have any products like this. This is pretty cool. It's a pump tube. Instead of you squeezing it like into your hand, it's like a pump tube. That's pretty cool. Ooh, okay. So that is what it looks like. And that's all I'm gonna take. You don't seem like you're gonna need a lot of this. And I'm gonna apply in circular. Okay, I'm applying circular motions. It's very lightweight. And you know, that's one of the things about, one of the many things about Dr. Zenovia's products, especially the clear complexion line, it feels like you hardly put anything on your skin and it's so crazy to me how lightweight and how just, oh my, it just feels like there's nothing. It's, you know, there's something there, but it's so lightweight. Like, it's not overly oily. My fingers are not oily or anything. Like, look at my fingers. It has like a very satin finish to it. Like, no sheen though. Just a very satin finish to it. Wow. Another, like, her products, they amaze me. Texture wise. Like, and my skin feels like butter. Like, oh, it just feels, how can I explain this to you guys? Okay. It leaves your skin buttery, smooth, soft, but it doesn't feel like you put anything on. It's very lightweight. Like, you know there's something on your skin, but you can't even feel it. I need to talk to Dr. Zenovia personally. Can we have a conversation? I have never in my life ever come across a product this could, what? Like, if you guys could feel this product like through the freaking computer screen, phone screen, whatever device you are watching this on, like, can I put a little bit more on? Because I am amazed. Hold on. We're gonna pump a little bit more. It's so, like, the consistency even is like a balm. It's like a balm a little bit. Like, y'all, let me tell y'all something, okay? I don't even care about the results of fading the scars. Like that, that's not even on my mind. This consistency is what is, oh my goodness. I don't know Sephora, well, because of COVID and everything, I'm not too sure if Sephora has like samples of Dr. Zenovia. But I swear to you guys, you need to go into Sephora today. Go get a sample of a Dr. Zenovia, or just try the sample. I don't know if they're letting people do that because I haven't been to Sephora in a while, but since the COVID, I don't know if they're letting people do that. Just pump a little bit onto your hand and massage it into the back of your hand, and you will see what I'm talking about when I say it is like buttery, smooth, non-greasy. It leaves your skin feeling like, no, y'all, Dr. Zenovia, girl, you know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. Let's get into how I feel first impression. First impression, my skin feels amazing. Of course, with what this says to do is that it's going to diminish the appearance of acne and scarring. So that, of course, is going to take time. I don't expect this to do that overnight. But first impression from texture-wise, y'all, this stuff is amazing. My skin feels super soft and everything, like buttery smooth, like not oily, not greasy, not none of that. Just butter soft smooth, like silk satin smooth. Like, y'all, I am highly impressed with the product consistency. I love it. I am in love with this product. I definitely will have to continue to use this to see if it works for me as far as diminishing acne scars. But just first impression off the back, this product is amazing. Consistent wise, like I can still feel it on my hands. I can still feel the butteriness on my hands. I want to just like put it all over. Okay, good morning, you guys. So as I'm exporting this video, I was like, I didn't even check back in with you guys to tell you how the overnight mask felt in the morning. So this is the next morning and my skin feels amazing. It is nice and soft still. It feels well hydrated, just a nice well balance of a hydration. It's not overly oily and none of that. So I'm definitely excited to utilize this mask in my skincare regimen and see how it works out for my scarring, because it is targeted for scarring. So I do want to see how that's going to work when it comes to the few acne scars that I do have. You know, as we get new breakouts, we get new scars. So yeah, but it does feel really good. My skin is really soft. It still really moisturized and all of that. So yeah, looking good. But please excuse my look, y'all. My nails are jacked up. My hair needs to so be done. Your girl didn't sleep much last night. Like, we need to have like a whole makeover, but we're gonna do that pretty soon. I'm gonna just you know, do my nails and my hair and all that. But anyways, so you guys, yes, I like the overnight mask, definitely recommend it. And yeah, you know what I'm saying. But anyways, you guys, that is my first impression of Dr. Zenovia advanced retinol night repair treatment. I will definitely do another follow-up video on this because I definitely want to see how this will work with diminishing acne scars. But this right here, that consistency is still blowing my mind. It is amazing, 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 amazing. Your girl over here is shocked. Okay, I will leave, of course, all information, all links down below to this product and other videos that I have done by Dr. Zenovia. If you guys have any type of questions or comments about Dr. Zenovia, you can go ahead and ask me down below and I will definitely answer them for you. But yes, you guys, link to this product will be down below. All information will be down below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.